Okay. But as she got close to the river, where real window dog lived, something strange started to happen.
What?
All the window dog comes.
All the winter dog.
Huh?
Why?
Because this is the place of the winter
Real window dogs were sticking to her magnets. See?
That meaning of Monday.
You see, Adam?
Why?
You don't know it. She tried to walk on, hoping they would just fall off or something. A lot of window dogs.
Come.
Because the winter dog. And she stabbed the monkey.
Yes, she's only with the window dog.
One to one and
But they didn't. You see? It's full of window dogs.
Many more than one.
Yeah, more than one. Finally, the dogs were so heavy she couldn't even carry them anymore. She wished she had picked a different magnet.
yeah.
She can't walk anymore.
She don't have.
Suddenly, she heard a loud noise. Can you see it?
Yeah.
She heard something.
What?
There in the river were two alligators trapped in the rapids.
It's cute.
Yeah, but they're gonna die if they stay in the water. They can't move. They need help.
Because they want to find her mom.
Yes. Kiki Mary had an idea. See?
Like
She gathered,
like this.
yeah, like this, exactly the same. She gathered all her strength, mostly from eating broccoli, and hurled the winter dogs across the river.
The alligator.
Yeah, she's gonna save the alligators.
When they dog.
Yes, she's using all the winter dogs. Like Adam. She's gonna save the alligators. Due to the magnetism, they formed a magnetic winter dog bridge. You are like a bridge.
Yeah.
It's Epson. Epson.
Yes, yes. With the winter dog, she's doing a bridge. Okay? And the alligators collapsed in safety. They are safe.
Why?
They were in the middle of the water.
Sleep?
Yes, because they are exhausted. They were very scared. Okay?
Where's her mom?
I don't know. Maybe they are lost.
What? Last one? Where's the last one?
The king of all alligators presented Kiki Mary with a blue ribbon for saving the day.
Wow.
So she goes to the king of alligators
Wow.
because she did something good. Okay?
Muhammad.
And she and all the winter dogs slept very soundly that night. Okay? And this is the end of the story. So
Where's
what
the
did...
mom and dad?
Um,
It's not here.
no, you're not here.
They're sleeping.
Yes, she sleeps. Maybe she sleeps in the castle of the king of the alligators. Maybe. So what did you understand of the story? What's the story about?
Winner dog.
Okay, the winner dog. I will show you a picture of a real winner dog.
محمد بكام. Wow, it's cool. It's very
It's
cool.
like a sausage.